Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to customize HubSpot meeting reminders. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools and features available to you. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Sales. This will expand a submenu with various sales-related options. Within that submenu, click on Meeting Scheduler. This is where all your scheduled meetings are managed, and it's the section you need to access to customize how your meeting reminders are sent out to attendees. Now that you're in the Meeting Scheduler area, you'll see a list of your scheduled meetings displayed on the screen. Take a moment to locate the specific meeting for which you want to customize the reminder. Hover your mouse over that meeting, and you'll notice additional options appear. Click on Edit to open up the meeting settings. This allows you to modify various aspects of the meeting, including the reminder emails that get sent out automatically. Once you're inside the meeting editor, look toward the top of the screen where you'll find several tabs or sections. Click on Automation. This section controls all the automated actions associated with your meeting, including the reminders that are sent to participants before the meeting takes place. It's an essential feature for keeping attendees informed and reducing no-shows. Within the automation section, you'll see an option labeled Pre-Meeting Reminder. This is the feature that sends an automatic email to your meeting participants ahead of time. Click the toggle button next to it to turn it on. Enabling this ensures that your attendees receive a timely reminder before the scheduled meeting, which helps keep everyone on the same page. After turning on the pre-meeting reminder, you'll notice an additional option appear. Click on Customize your reminder email. This is where you can personalize the content of the reminder message to match your tone, branding, or specific instructions you want to include. Customizing this email makes the communication feel more personal and relevant to your recipients. Now you'll be taken into the email editor where you can make changes to both the subject line and the body of the reminder email. Type in your preferred subject line to grab your attendees' attention, and then adjust the body text to include any details, links, or instructions you want them to have before the meeting. Take your time here to make sure the message is clear and professional. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made to the reminder email, click Save. This will store your customized reminder settings and apply them to the meeting. Your personalized reminder will now be sent out automatically based on the timing you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully customized your HubSpot meeting reminders. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.